Hello everyone, my name is Sharon. I want to thank my opponent for her debate video, and now I'm going to start with my rebuttals. So my opponent started off with her first argument saying that Medicare for All will be bad for our economy because the government will be paying more and we will create more debt than we already have. Here's my response to that. Medicare for All is actually a cost-effective healthcare plan that will lower the costs overall. It is far less costly than our current health system, and it will also lower taxes for businesses and individuals. And one reason for that is because it will cut out the administrative costs. Yes, I agree, our government spends a lot of money in general, not just billions, but trillions. However, if the government is already spending this mass amount of money, we better put it to good use. And Medicare will cost $4,000 from each individual, and that will help spread out the costs, lowering the healthcare costs overall, making it a win-win for both the government and us as citizens. The second argument my opponent made is that Medicare for All will affect our freedom to choose a healthcare plan and create problems for both our doctors and our hospitals. Here's my response to that. On the contrary, Medicare for All will create one plan, and it will cover anything from oral to vision to dental, etc. And get this, there will be no out-of-pocket expenses, no copays. So actually one plan will be better for hospitals and doctors because it will reduce the complexity of our healthcare system, and they will only have to deal with one insurance plan instead of multiple insurance plans, and they will not be overwhelmed with people, and they will still receive the patients to keep their hospitals open and their people working. The last argument my opponent made is that Medicare for All will hurt the people who really need it if we give Medicare and access to everyone. Here's my response to that. Who are we to say who really needs access to medical insurance? Everyone goes through things in their life, whether they're young or old, everything in between. And whether it's an emergency medical need or it's even just a regular checkup, an annual checkup, or just a vision exam, everyone needs access, and everyone should be able to have that access and should be treated equally. And if we give this access to everyone, it will stop cluttering up the emergency rooms because people can finally go to regular doctors, regular practices, instead of only being able to go to the hospital, cluttering and creating an overwhelmed healthcare system. Thank you.